another series with me. I am the owner of Pink Bowl Bundles LLC, and today we're going to be getting into Remy hair. What exactly is Remy hair? You know, we hear that term used a lot in the industry when we're purchasing hair or when we're looking forward to searching for different types of hair. We're looking at Remy, we're looking at non-Remy, we're looking at virgin, human. So today we're going to talk a little bit about what is Remy hair. Is Remy hair good for extensions? Is Remy hair processed? Is it unprocessed? Is it the best grade hair? These are all the types of things that we're going to be getting into on today. So if this is something that interests you, just keep on watching. What is Remy hair? What makes Remy hair Remy? Did I purchase Remy hair? Why is my hair matting? Why is it tangling?
Why is it shedding? And it said it was Remy.
This is a question that we have, and we're going to be addressing this question in today's video. I am the owner of Pink Bowl Bundles LLC, and to me it is very important to understand the type of hair that I am purchasing. I wanted to bring this video to you because we do have entrepreneurs out there. We do have customers out here in YouTube world, and they want to understand the type of hair that they are purchasing. This video is for you. This video is definitely for you. What makes Remy hair? Is that Remy hair is not collected from one donor. It is collected in a ponytail from multiple donors. For example, this is my hair. It's in a ponytail. It is wrapped up in a rubber band to create the ponytail. Then it is cut. Okay? That's one donor. Now, we're going to do the same process but with a different donor. Same process. Ponytail, snip the hair. Okay? Now you have multiple donors. This process can be repeated until you have the measured amount for a bundle. All the hairs from those multiple donors that were cut in the ponytail are gathered up to create one bundle. The reason the hair is being kept in a ponytail is to keep all the cuticles on the hair shaft aligned. Remy hair is known as ponytail hair, and all the cuticles are aligned, which means the cuticles in this strand of hair or strands of hair is flowing in one direction. The hair next to it, the strands with the cuticles on it, are flowing in the same direction, and so on and so forth. This prevents shedding and it prevents tangling. Have you just ever purchased hair from a vendor, from an online store, from the beauty supply market, along the curbside in your local hometown? You get a good 2 weeks wear out of it, or a good wash, and it begins to look dull. It begins to tangle, especially in this nape area. It begins to shed. If you said yes to 90% of that, chances are you don't have Remy hair. And if you purchased it with the label Remy hair on it, it was mislabeled intentionally, and they knew what they were doing. When you invest as a customer, or when you invest as a business owner into hair, that's what it is. It's an investment, and it must be properly labeled and sold as such. Okay. So now that we've covered that Remy hair has the cuticles flowing in the same direction and it's being cut from a ponytail, gathered by multiple donors to make a bundle, you understand what Remy hair is. Now, here's the slight difference between Remy hair and virgin hair. Remy hair is donor has either dyed their hair or permed their hair. So it has been chemically treated in that way. However, it has not been chemically treated in the process of removing the cuticles. Ask yourself this question. If the cuticles have been removed, can the cuticles be aligned? The answer is no, because there's nothing to align. Companies remove the cuticles through a process, and the process is harsh. It's called treated, quote unquote, treated, or an acid bath. If your hair has undergone an acid bath or been treated, the cuticles are removed. Once the cuticles are removed from your hair, it loses some of its quality. It loses some of its shine. And you know it after a wash or 2 weeks of wear or even a month. You know it. So when you're thinking about Remy hair, is it good for extensions? Absolutely. Absolutely, it's good for extension hair. It's good as a unit and is good as wefted hair. Now, what I find with Remy hair is easily tested. If you know what cuticles feel like, they feel like almost like a coarse feel. Even in your own hair, if you run your fingers through your own hair, either up the shaft of the hair or down the shaft of the hair, you feel like a coarseness. So once you receive your hair that's labeled Remy hair, take a strand, run your finger down the hair, run your finger up the hair. If it's smooth both ways, there is no cuticles in that hair at all. It has been removed. Thus, you don't have Remy hair. Another way to tell, because I'm science at heart, put that hair under a microscope, honey. Put it under a microscope. If that hair does not look like picture A, it's a problem. It's a problem. So definitely when you're looking for hair for yourself, when you're looking for hair for your business and your customers, it is very important to be informed on what type of hair it actually is. Because we don't want to sell something to our customers and they get it and we tell them the specs on it and they're reading the specs and it's 2 months later and everything on the card is a lie. That's your brand. That's your name. So it's very important to be well informed of what type of hair that we're purchasing, what type of hair that we're getting, and if it's labeled correctly or not. Thank you for watching. I will be bringing more series to come. We're going to be talking more and more about hair. How to tell that you're getting the right hair. How to tell the different grades and qualities of hair. Because it's your business. Or if you're not in business, it's your investment. And it's important to protect both. Thank you for watching. Again, I am the owner of Pink Bowl Bundles, LLC. And remember, be beautiful. Because
but I didn't know you should tell me how it is. All I wanna hear is pretty little fears, baby. And you should tell me how it is. Pretty little fears. It's music to my ears. Yeah. You only love my best side. What if I can